I let AI manage my money for 30 days. Shocking results. For 30 days, I stopped managing my money and let AI handle everything. Not a financial advisor, not a bank app, not a spreadsheet I built and abandoned after 3 days. Just AI. Specifically Claude. Doing what I had always been too disorganized, too busy, or too overwhelmed to do properly for myself. The results genuinely shocked me, not because of some dramatic wealth transformation, but because of how simple it was, and how much I had been silently losing every single month without even realizing it. Today I am sharing the complete 30-day experiment. What I did, what AI found, what I changed, and exactly how much it saved me. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. Why most people struggle with money management. Most people are not bad with money because they are irresponsible. They are bad with money because managing it properly is genuinely time-consuming, emotionally draining, and requires a level of consistent attention that daily life rarely allows. Tracking every expense, categorizing spending, identifying waste, planning for savings, comparing subscriptions, calculating whether a purchase makes sense against your actual financial situation. Nobody wants to spend Saturday morning doing that. And so most people do not. And money leaks quietly in the background. AI does not get tired of tracking numbers. It does not feel emotional about spending decisions. It does not procrastinate on the uncomfortable conversations. It just looks at the data and tells you the truth. That is exactly what I needed. Week 1, building the AI money system. The first thing I did was gather everything. Bank statements from the past 3 months, a list of every subscription I was paying for, my regular monthly expenses, and a rough sense of my monthly income. I pasted all of this into Claude in a single session and gave it one instruction: analyze my complete financial picture. Tell me where my money is actually going. Identify any spending that looks wasteful, unnecessary, or that I am probably not even aware of. And give me a clear, honest summary. What came back in under 2 minutes genuinely surprised me. Claude identified 7 subscriptions I was still paying for that I had completely forgotten about. Combined monthly cost, $43. Annual cost, $516 per year. Gone from my account every month without a single moment of value returned. Claude also identified a clear pattern in my food spending. I was spending significantly more on food delivery on weekdays between 7 and 9 p.m. than any other time. The pattern was obvious in the data. It was invisible to me personally because I had never looked at the data this way. That first session, 20 minutes of gathering information and 1 conversation with Claude, gave me more financial clarity than I had achieved in the previous 12 months of vague intention. Week 2, the budget Claude built. In week 2, I asked Claude to build me a realistic monthly budget based on my actual spending patterns, not an aspirational budget designed to make me feel virtuous. A real one. I gave Claude my monthly income, my fixed expenses, and the spending data from week 1. I asked it to design a budget that covered all my genuine needs, allocated a reasonable amount for enjoyment, built in a consistent monthly savings target, and was simple enough that I would actually follow it. Claude produced a complete monthly budget in under a minute. It was organized into 6 clear categories: fixed costs, food and groceries, transport, entertainment, personal spending, and savings target. The savings target Claude recommended based on my actual numbers was $180 per month, not a round motivational number. The specific number that my actual income and expenses made genuinely achievable without significant lifestyle sacrifice. I wrote the budget into Notion. I looked at it every day. For the first time in a long time, I actually knew what I was allowed to spend, and I had a clear reason to stay within it. Week 3. Catching the leaks. Week 3, I ran what I called the leak audit. I went through every recurring charge on my bank statement and asked Claude to evaluate each one. For every subscription, I told Claude what it was, how much it cost, and how often I actually used it. Claude gave a simple verdict: keep it, cancel it, or reduce it. 3 more cancellations. Combined monthly saving, $22. Claude also identified the single biggest change I could make without affecting my quality of life: the food delivery habit. A simple rule: order maximum twice per week instead of 5 to 6 times. Estimated monthly saving, $90. Annual saving, over $1,000. One rule: $1,000 per year back in my pocket. Week 4. The savings plan. In week 4, I asked Claude to help me set up a simple savings system. Not a complicated investment portfolio. Just a clear rule for where the saved money goes every month. Claude helped me define 3 savings goals with specific monthly amounts: an emergency fund, a travel savings pot, and a business reinvestment fund for growing this channel. Simple, specific, automatic. Set up as standing orders so the money moves before I can spend it. The results. After 30 days. After 30 days, the numbers were clear. Subscriptions canceled, 10. Monthly saving, $65. Annual saving, $780. Food delivery reduction, $90 saved in month 1. New monthly savings target hit, $180. Total improvement in month 1, $335 better off than the previous month. From one conversation with Claude and 30 minutes of attention per week. Not a fortune, but real, measurable, and compounding every single month going forward. Your action plan starting today. Gather 3 months of bank statements. Open Claude. Paste your spending data. Let it find the leaks. Ask for an honest analysis. Build a real budget. Run the leak audit. Set 3 savings goals. Set up automatic transfers. 30 minutes of setup. Months of clearer financial control. What would you want AI to find in your finances? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this made you want to try the 30-day experiment yourself, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.